Do you work with active people who suffer from gastrointestinal symptoms when they train, or do you? Often an array of dietary treatments are suggested for athletes who suffer from gastrointestinal symptoms. But what really works? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course, Gastrointestinal Symptoms in Sport. This course is presented by Stephanie Gaskell. Stephanie is an accredited practicing dietitian and an advanced sports dietitian, and is also researching at Australia's Monash University into gastrointestinal issues in endurance athletes. In this course, you will learn specific dietary strategies that may help and treat gastrointestinal symptoms in athletes, and the latest emerging research in this specialised area. This course is approved by the Commission on Dietetic Registration as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is an essential course for all endurance athletes, clinicians and coaches to understand more about this painful and debilitating condition. So click on the link to get started now.